Hey, ladies and gentlemen, check it out. Hey, welcome to the video. My name is Ethan Esquivel. In this video, you are going to learn how to make your vision come true. Hey, if you're interested in that, stick around. Tip number 1. Take action no matter how small your vision is, no matter how small the steps are. You want to achieve your vision and make it come true? Take action no matter how small the steps are, man. Look, the more steps you take right over time, you're going to slowly become the person that you want to be at the end of the destination. There is not an end at the destination, but your goal. Look, let's say you want to be a millionaire, right? Okay, how do you become a millionaire? Hey, look, first you got to go back to the basics. How do you make $2,000 this month? How do I make extra $10 today? How do I make an extra $100 this week? Slowly, you take those little steps. Over time, you're going to master those little steps. Oh, shoot, I'm walking now. I'm crawling like a baby. Oh, shoot, I could stand up and walk. Oh, shoot, I got good at walking now. Let me take a little jog real quick. Oh, shoot, I could jog now. I'm sprinting now. When you're sprinting, that's the level you want to be at, right? But how can you sprint? You got to learn how to crawl. Once you crawl, you can walk. That's how you achieve your vision, man. That's the tip number 1. Take action no matter how small the steps are. You got it, man. You're going to get there, which leads me to my next tip. It takes time, ladies and gentlemen. It takes time to reach that goal. Everybody's goal is different, but at the end of the day, no massive success is overnight. If you want to be really successful, it's gonna take time. Like growing a big oak tree, big old oak tree right behind me. It took like 12 years, 15 years. It was a real skinny tree when we got it. It's a thick tree now. Look how thick it is. That tree ain't going nowhere. No thunderstorms taking that oak tree down. Like 15 years in the building, 15 years in the making right there to get that thick and strong. It's gonna take some time to reach that success, ladies and gentlemen. And there's no problem waiting that long. There's no problem. You know why? There's no problem with waiting that long for your vision to unfold, because we're living off of time. All we have is time as humans. That's all we have. That's all we have. So use that time. That time is freaking awesome. Your dream wants you to wait. No, Ethan, you must wait 10 years, 20 years for your dream to come true, Ethan. Hey, you know what? Let me wait 30 years. You know what? I can wait as long as I'm alive. I'm gonna wait forever, because that dream is worth it. It's worth it. So heck yeah, I'll wait, man. Heck yeah. No amount of time is gonna make me want to not achieve my dream. It could be 20 years for me to achieve my rap career. Fine, but I'm gonna be the best rapper out there, though. Hey, tip number 3 on how to make your vision come true, ladies and gentlemen. Build like your life depends on it. Build like Nikola Tesla built the electricity machine. He dedicated his life to it. Elon Musk, he dedicated his life to building Tesla, to building SpaceX. Mike Tyson dedicated his life to boxing. He's the best boxer. Muhammad Ali dedicated his life and time to being a boxer. He's one of the best boxers. Dedicate your time into something like your life depends on it. Man, there's nothing can stop you, man. If you apply these 3 tips, take action no matter how small it is. Slowly, you're gonna become better. It's gonna take time for your dream to unfold. Fine, we're living off of time. Fine, you know what? You wanna make me wait? I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna wait good. That my dream is gonna come true. No amount of time can make me not wanna make me back out. And 3, build like your life depends on it, man. If you apply those 3 tips, man, you're gonna be successful, man. There's no doubt, man. Hey, let me give y'all this quick little freestyle real quick, ladies and gentlemen. Check it out. Okay, Grams, we see you. Wouldn't wanna be you. Yes, I see you. Come through, no, this ain't a diss. More like we get to witness your beat. Put it on repeat. It sounds clean. The sound brings boom. Walk in the room, my shoes clean. Who did I bring? Brought my whole team. The hotel is clean. Ice melting. The sun's going down. Pop the bottles, I just won the lotto. Surrounded by people I love, thanks to the one above. When push comes to shove, I'm getting my grub. This music I love, getting all of it. No, it ain't enough. I like to play rough. Shout out to Hillary Duff. Write my rhymes, have a good time. Live life, be a good person. My message so strong, I make your heart feel like it belongs. Ethan, why you on this earth? To spread my message. Make a baby, teach him well. He'll learn how to spell. Maybe off the rails, but he'll be cute. Before babies, I'ma shoot my shot, be mighty successful. Life is too good, it ain't even that stressful. Got a weird side like Deadpool. See y'all later, my rhymes are better than the haters. See you later, alligator. That was an awesome freestyle right there, ladies and gentlemen. This is my thumbnail real quick. One, two, three. Alright, cool. That's the 3 tips on how to make your vision come true, ladies and gentlemen. Tip number 1, it takes time. Take action. Take action. No matter how small the action is, take action. You're gonna become that person. Tip 2, to make your vision come true, it's gonna take time, ladies and gentlemen. The oak tree is gonna take time to grow that big. Tip 3, build like your life depends on it. If you dedicate your life and time into something, man, you're gonna become freaking good. Hey, y'all got this, man. I'll see y'all in the next video. Nas is like, this beat is amazing. Nas is like.